All right, lesson 1-3, concept 2, solving equations with division. Now this concept is very similar to our last concept. We're just going to be using division instead of multiplication. So if you have a problem, an equation, where you have a variable with a constant that you're multiplying it by, the easiest way to get rid of it so you can isolate your variable is to divide. Okay? Divide by the same number, and whatever you do to one side, you do to both sides. The next step is going to be to cancel, and that's really the goal of both this and the last concept. All right, we're trying to get rid of whatever is interacting with our variable so that we can isolate it. Okay, so our goal is to cancel. All right, rewrite the problem. And then solve. X equals 56 over 7. Divide both by 7. And we'll end up with x equals 8. All right? And then we go back to check our original answer. 7 times x equals 56. If x is 8, we have 7 times 8 equals 56. And does 7 times 8 equal 56? Yes, it does. So our answer is correct. All right. The only other place where some students struggle with these concepts is when the number multiplying by x is 1. All right. So, or negative 1. So if we have negative x, that's basically a negative 1x, equals, let's say, 4. All right. Now, it should be pretty easy to see that, well, if negative x equals 4, positive x is going to equal negative 4. But the way you can mathematically show that you're doing that operation is if you are dividing or multiplying by negative 1. Because that has the effect of changing the sign, because we cancel out our negative 1's, and our 4 becomes negative 4 without changing the values. Okay? We swap signs, but the values, the numbers stay the same. Okay, that's it for this video.